Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima, guys, and you're trying to find where the fuse for the vacuum pump is located. So vacuum pump fuse, stay with us, we'll explain that. You have one fuse, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain actually how to test that fuse as well, which is very important, and not to just assume you have a good fuse. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food, well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So what we did here, guys, we actually took a picture of the fuse box so that we can show with great detail where all the fuses are located. Otherwise, it's opening that big, I cannot get the camera, my hand and light at the same time to explain which fuse you need to check. But the fuse, guys, okay, that we need to check, actually, guys, okay, it's known as a vacuum fuse, and it's a 20 amp fuse. So if you come to row number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you go down the fourth fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse right here, this is the vacuum pump fuse. Check this fuse, guys. It's really easy to check. Just pull it out. If you need a fuse puller, where you can get that one from, okay, you have one in the fuse box in the engine compartment. Just grab it right here. Okay, and you can use that fuse puller if we need to. Also, if you need to test the fuse and see, guys, if it's good or bad, we have a special video that explains how to do that. Okay, let me grab something to show you. Never assume that a fuse is good, even just looking at it, because it may be still a bad fuse. And let's say you guys think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you still have problems, okay, with vacuum pump not working. You'll spend more time and money to fix your car when all you had to do just go ahead and replace, test the fuse, find out it's bad and replace it. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.